Hello everyone. Now I discuss about Mathiesen's rule. So, what is Mathiesen's rules? The Sheaf mechanism for scattering in pure metals is assumed to be lattice vibration. Okay, for metallic alloys, the resistivities are weak function of temperature. So, the key word is resistivities are weak function of temperature. We should also consider the contribution for scattering for impurities atoms. So contribution for scattering from impurity atoms. But when an impurity atom of a different size than that of the host atom that means host atom is smaller than impurity atom and is placed in the crystal lattice, the impurity atom destroys the region around it. That's why the cross section that scatters is now the lattice region that has been elasticity destroyed by impurity atoms. That's the theoretical parts. So electrons in the destroyed region feels a force. This force is F equal d minus d by dx. That's the potential energy. Due to charge in potential energy. Okay, but there the area due to the distortion of layers, the elastic deformation have extent in a number atomic distance. So extent in a number atomic. Okay, thus there are two types of mean free times. That's why here is created two types of mean free times. One is scattering from thermal vibration only. Thermal vibration. Okay, and another is scattering from impurity atoms. Scattering from impurity atoms. Then electrons can be scattered by these both processes. So the effective tau, that's the tau t, that's also tau t. Okay, so the effective tau will be less than the individual tau t and tau, sorry, this is tau I, tau t and tau I. That's why the independent event is, so that's why the electrons can be separated by the process. Okay, both process. That's the equation. One by tau plus equal 1 by tau t plus 1 by tau I. That's and that's. Next, since psi equal q tie me, where 1 by mu equal 1 by mu l plus 1 by mu I for this. Next, both, but since rho equal 1 by q n phi, hence phi equal phi t plus phi I. Okay, that's the Mathiesen's rule, where okay, I forgot that phi L equal due to lattice scattering, or phi I equal due to impurity scattering. Okay, then that's the Mathiesen's rule. Okay, then so the effective resistivity is the sum of resistivities due to lattice and impurity scattering. So the effective resistivity is the sum of resistives due to lattice and impurity scattering. That's the Mathiesen's rule. So thank you everyone. See you next tutorial.